Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to PakhiBari. Today I will show you how to be friendly with your pet bird. Trust does not come in one day. At first my bird was scared and flew away whenever I came close. But with love, soft word and patience, everything changed. I started giving food from a distance, then from a spoon, and now it eats from my hand, sitting calmly and even nibbling my finger with love. This is how friendship grows, not by force, but by care and connection. Birds are not just pets, they are family. Love them, talk to them, spend time, and they will trust you forever. Subscribe to PakhiBari.